guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. So today, we're going to show you how to make Lengua De Gato. This is probably one of the most favorite pasalubong to bring back home whenever we go to Baguio. Tara, simulan na natin. Ito nga pala ang mga sangkap na kailangan for this recipe. ½ cup of salted butter, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 2 egg whites, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's start! Sa isang mixing bowl, ilagay lang ang powdered sugar at ang butter, then using a hand mixer, i-mix lang ito until well blended. I-set lang sa medium speed ang inyong hand mixer. Isunod na ilagay ang egg whites at i-continue lang ang pag-mix. At isunod na ilagay ang harina at i-continue ang paghalo until well combined. At sa huli, ilagay ang vanilla at give it a final mix. Ayan, okay na ang batter natin. I-transfer lang ang batter sa isang piping bag or kung wala naman kayo, pwede naman gumamit ng clear plastic bag. Ngayon, ihanda naman natin ang baking tray. Siguraduhin lang na patungan ito ng wax or parchment paper. Pagkatapos, mag-pipe lang ng at least 2 inches long na batter sa baking tray. Huwag masyadong i-overcrowd ang tray. Magbigay ng at least 1 inch na pagitan ng bawat isa. Ayan, ready na to for baking. Bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes. At ito ang magiging itsura after baking. I-scrape lang natin isa-isa para maalis natin sa tray. Then serve it and enjoy while you're having your coffee fix. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request a recipe that we can feature for our next vlog. Please hit the notification bell to get notified for our future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.